Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through the BART AI and I'm gonna show you one of the most important new prompts that you should be aware of if you ever wanna take advantage of the AI innovation. So I want you to come over here, log into your BART AI account, come down to the enter a prompt box and let's ask BART AI to create a newsletter for our blog post. Okay, so in our case we are going to ask him write a newsletter about the value of the US dollar in 2024 predictions. Let's see. We previously used BART AI for starting an e-commerce business, starting a dropshipping business. You want to make sure you watch my videos on the topic as well. Very interesting stuff are going on, guys. You want to make sure that you know what exactly you should input as a prompt. Look at this. Decoding the dollar. What 2024 dollar holds for the greenback. The US dollar, arguably the world's financial heavyweight, stranger, blah blah blah. Bullish bets. The US economic outperformance. Goldman Sachs paints a rosy picture, forecasting continued US economic growth, attracting foreign investments. Safe haven status. Global uncertainties like potential geopolitical tensions and economic jitters could have Fed rate policy. Despite speculations of rate cuts later in this year, the current hawkish stance of the Federal Reserve could maintain an attractive interest rate differential. Bearish whispers. Central bank harmonization. If other central banks like European Central Bank follow suit with the rate hike, the dollar's relative advantage might diminish, leading to depreciation. Emerging markets revival. Presidential elections, guys, 2024. Navigating the fog. The truth is, predicting the US dollar future is much art as science. While factors mentioned above paint a complex picture, unforeseen events and shifting market dynamics can easily go after the course. The bottom line. The crystal ball remains cloudy when it comes to the dollar's 2024 story. While conflicting predictions around one thing, it's clear it's doing to be a roller coaster ride. But by staying informed and adopting a pursuit, I think it's very good, guys. It gives us a detail, it gives us citation, who said what and who predicts what, based on what geopolitical conditions or macroeconomic stance, right? I think it's very helpful. This is one of the very important prompts, especially if you're running a blog post, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more.